Hello friends, welcome back to our online course on refrigeration and air conditioning. In last lecture we have studied this OC process, that is nothing but the humidification. Now in this lecture we are going to see this OD process, that is nothing but the dehumidification. Now what is a dehumidification? The dehumidification is nothing but what? A removal of moisture. In humidification, what we have said, we are going to add the moistures, but in dehumidification process, what we are going to do, we are going to remove the moistures without change in its dry bulb temperature. Let us plot that dehumidification process on this psychometric chart. This is dry bulb temperature, horizontal or x-axis, y-axis represent the specific humidity or humidity ratio. This is nothing but the phi 2 and this is nothing but the phi 1. Now here I am getting TD1 is equal to TD2. This is nothing but omega 2 and this is nothing but omega 1. Now during dehumidification process we are going to remove the moistures, and while removing the moisture, what will happen to its temperature? Its dry bulb temperature or that temperature remains constant. Now what will happen to the humidity or humidity ratio or specific humidity? That goes on decreasing. Then what will happen to the relative humidity? That relative humidity also goes on decreasing. And what will happen to the enthalpy? That enthalpy also goes on decreasing. I'll repeat. During dehumidification process we are going to remove the moisture, and as a result of that we are going to have, there is no any change in a dry bulb temperature during dehumidification process, but there is a significant change in a specific humidity or humidity ratio. Similarly, there is a significant change in relative humidity and there is a significant change in enthalpies. Now how we can calculate the latent heat? That latent heat is nothing but what? HFG into omega 1 minus omega 2, where omega 1 is nothing but what? Specific humidity or humidity ratio at point number 1. Similarly, specific humidity or humidity ratio at point number 2, and HFG is nothing but what? Enthalpy of fluid and gas. With the help of that, easily I can calculate the value of latent heat during dehumidification. Thank you.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.